Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use NordVPN on public Wi-Fi. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Now, using NordVPN on public Wi-Fi, like at a cafe, airport, or hotel, while it is absolutely the best option to shield your data from hackers, as public hotspots are notorious breeding grounds for cyber attacks, such as fake Wi-Fi setups masquerading as the cafe's actual router. And there is a thing called packet sniffing as well, where bad actors intercept unencrypted data passing through the air. So the biggest mistake creators and travelers make is connecting to a public Wi-Fi, opening their browser, and then remembering to open NordVPN. In those few unencrypted seconds, your device has already transmitted background data. So to fix this, we need to enable auto connect and trusted network features. So open up your NordVPN app. Now go ahead over to your profile and tap on settings. Once done, you'll have auto connect. Tap on it. Now make sure that you enable this one. All right. So you could choose to use all network. When you go ahead and connect to a different Wi-Fi, your phone will automatically connect to NordVPN servers, right? And this is for both Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Now let's go ahead and go back. Make sure that you enable unsafe Wi-Fi detection. You'll get an alert when connected to an unsafe Wi-Fi. So make sure that your push notifications is enabled so that you'll be notified. All right. So for extra safety steps for public network, you can enable Threat Protection Pro. This icon right here, just tap on it, enable it, as public networks can occasionally be used by hackers to redirect your browser to spoofed malicious websites. So go ahead and turn it on, as it actively blocks tracking scripts, prevents you from landing on unknown phishing domains, and automatically inspects any file you download for malware before it hits your storage. And by the way, when you go ahead over to the settings once more, you have the kill switch. When you go ahead and tap on it and enable it, your device will notice if a public Wi-Fi signal flickers or drops, okay? And if this happens, a standard device will fall back to its regular unencrypted connection. So turning this on will automatically or guarantees that if the VPN connection drops, your device is totally blocked from accessing the web until the VPN reestablishes. And that is how you use NordVPN on public Wi-Fi. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.